my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I'm crafting at work because we are doing a sweet treat theme for our Christmas this year. So I'm going to use 10-inch planter saucers that I ordered off of Amazon in a 12-pack. It was around $12.99. A variety pack of 2-inch duct tape that I ordered off of Amazon for around $12. I picked up my cellophane and my deco mesh tubing at the Dollar Tree. And then on Amazon, I also ordered 4-foot bamboo plant stakes. I received a 25-pack for around $17. I'm going to cut a hole in the side of the plant saucer and then run my bamboo plant stake through that hole and then tie that off with a piece of, you can use ribbon. I used a rubber band, but something to kind of keep the bamboo stake from pulling out. You can also use just a dab of hot glue to kind of build up the areas so that your bamboo stake does not pull out once you have the pieces together. I'm going to use E6000 and hot glue to glue the two planter saucers together. You can decorate these however you like. I chose to use duct tape. It's also very user-friendly. If you're doing this with your children, your grandchildren, I'm letting my residents do this as a project. I like for them to take ownership in the place that they live and how it is decorated. But if you would like to paint these, then you could do that as well. But I picked up a multi-pack off of Amazon simply because I use duct tape for just about everything. I'm always needing it. But Dollar Tree also sells duct tape that's very cost effective. Once I have my planter saucers all decorated, then I'm going to wrap the saucer with some cellophane and tie it off with the deco mesh tubing. You can push the plant stakes into the ground. You could also add them to a large outdoor pot, or you could zip tie them into a tree. But this is a very easy, cost-effective way to add a sweet treat theme to your Christmas. My second DIY is so simple that I hate to call it a DIY, but I ordered a pack of 4 inflatable donut pool floats in the child size off of Amazon. They were around $14, and I blew those up, and then I'm going to use my bamboo plant stakes with some E6000 and put that on the back of each donut. I'm also going to secure it so that the glue will dry evenly so that I have a little bit more stability with some duct tape on the back. And that is all there is to this DIY. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.